In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song A Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. So to play A Sky Full of Stars, we first make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are D minor, B flat major, F major, A minor, and C major. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord that we're going to learn is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. 1, 2, ready, play. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down. Tap down, pause down, tap down, down, tap down, pause down, tap down, down, tap down, pause down, tap down. Now we're going to go into the chord progressions for this entire song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro, the verses, the choruses, instrumental 1 and instrumental 2, and the second section is going to be for instrumental 3 and the bridge. So for section 1, which again is for the intro, the verses, the choruses, instrumental 1 and instrumental 2, we're going to be playing D minor for 4 beats, B flat major for 4 beats, F major for 4 beats, and A minor for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now. We're bringing out each chord. 1, 2, ready, D minor. 1, 2, 3, B flat. 1, 2, 3, F major. 1, 2, 3, A minor. 1, 2, 3, D minor. 1, 2, 3, B flat. 1, 2, 3, F major. 1, 2, 3, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, down. Tap down, pause down, tap down, down, 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 tap down, pause down, tap down. Now for section 2, which again is for instrumental 3 and the bridge, we're going to be playing B flat major for 4 beats, C major for 4 beats, and D minor for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, B flat, go. 1, 2, 3, C major. 1, 2, 3, D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, again B flat. 1, 2, 3, C major. 1, 2, 3, D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's add the string pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down, 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 down, tap, down, pause, down, tap, down. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through A Sky Full of Stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Oh, oh, 'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I see you. Whoa, I think I see you. Oh, oh. You're a sky full of stars, such a heavenly view. Whoa, you're such a heavenly view. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for A Sky Full of Stars. And that's how you play A Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.